Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Oracle JDBC, ojdbc6.jar, as a Maven dependency, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the Oracle JDBC driver, ojdbc6.jar specifically, although the principles apply to other versions, as a Maven dependency. We'll cover why you need it, the challenges involved due to licensing restrictions, how to overcome them, and provide a complete, runnable code example. Why use Oracle JDBC driver with Maven? Database connectivity. Java applications need JDBC drivers to interact with databases. The Oracle JDBC driver allows your Java code to connect to and communicate with Oracle databases. Maven Dependency Management. Maven Central Repository does not host the Oracle JDBC driver due to Oracle's licensing restrictions. Managing dependencies with Maven makes your project more organized, reproducible, and easier to build and share. Maven manages dependency versions, transitive dependencies, dependencies of dependencies, and helps avoid classpath issues. The challenges: licensing restrictions and Maven Central. Oracle's licensing terms prevent the Oracle JDBC driver from being freely redistributable via public repositories like Maven Central. This means you can't simply declare a dependency and have Maven download it automatically. You'll need to manually obtain the ojdbc6.jar, or the relevant version for your environment, and install it into your local or a private Maven repository.